Mahama, why idea? A kufuado yadi no oba watchem. Huh? Why idea pa Mahama? Yamin out too much.
Abuja the Omadi to as an apprentice, Young Don, Abbey Prince Excellency John Don Mahama after subscribing E-levy and a betting tax. No way, in fact, was that yes, Mahama Crona, so Mahama na, Wabi a prison, no, so subscribe E-levy and a betting tax. Oh, we are na, was that yes, Mahama, so I can be answered at the Tina. Obo Kevin Taylor pa, like Kevin Taylor 18 quarters, it will media. I have Penyah block media. Mess was any day, over like a video around my over subscribe button. So now back like a notification and connect latest updates. I bet you are going to have my ever comment, especially for Baswa. Much you remember me as any be ashes. It's back here. Ghana, you got 12 by the 2024 election. Mahama a promises or bar. E-levy betting tax COVID levy and obey you for honor. I'm a 2 baby. I think about 2 weeks ago. Me both I'm telling you, say I pass it through Parliament. I'm a Parliament out of Swaba. I'm a Domdo to me say, ye free honor. Tenakase. Mahama ebe sign a signature kake na fe E-levy and betting tax na everyone mo enti about 4 days ago ana Mahama say oh say matimi e dey do work Parliament akọ pass as bill ato so ba wie dey e don't wait bring me mon famre me na me sign e no GNS or J pen well betting tax E-levy abolish.
This is the electronic transfer levy repeal bill. That's the famous E-levy bill. I'll proceed to sign it. Okay, I've just given assent to the repeal of the famous E-levy bill. Now this is the Income Tax Amendment Bill 2025 to remove withholding tax on winnings from lottery, betting and games of chance. This is the famous betting tax repeal bill. And so I'll assent to it, 2nd April 2025. So betting tax is gone. Now this is the emissions tax repeal bill. So emissions levy repeal act 2025, emissions levy is gone. This is the earmark funds capping and realignment bill. This is the bill that caps the GET fund and national health insurance levy and moves those resources into the consolidated fund. We promise that we'll take the capping off, we won't cap them. And so this bill uncaps the GET fund and the national health insurance levy. So the earmark funds capping and realignment amendment bill has been assented to. So it means GET Fund and NHI will receive the full amount of their levies. Promises delivered.
I said a transaction biara a free. Now Owe yana ana Young Don say, oh, His Excellency, why are there? At least na me ana me fire, but why are the pa? Meka a Young Don Abbey President Mahama said, what to me extra E-levy any betting tax because na a real boys no.
Yo, ja, me de you can say, but 2 kwanko I will check class baby. I share the punishment I will later. We need just by the women number be ja. I share the punishment I will later. Can say straight up. And I'm baby $6 and I'm zero. I mean, my minimum really kakra yo. Yeah, chilly out. Yeah, chilly out. And can say straight up, be Miami Bimo, BMW, Bimo, BMW, Bimo. And what do you know about me? I was a card into a mua, me chilly out. Huh? But two gang a crown. And oh, you can't say, yay, you can't say, Miss Mamma had us one women real quick one. My family, my baby pack and I'm minimum monk. I'm baby pack and I'm minimum monk. Rainy a real quick one. Rainy a real quick one. Yo, yes, Mahama, I try you. Yes, Mahama, I try. Why bother to you can't say, why bother shit, E-levy. Mahama, why are dear? My baby pack and I don't really. Mahama, why are dear? Huh? Mahama. Why are dear? I could for other yard no oba watchem. Huh? Why are dear pa Mahama? I mean she out too much. I could for other yard no. So oba watchem. Huh? I could for other yard and you assume Mahama by watchem. I mean she Mahama too much.
Oh yeah, on Kevin Taylor ebedi di asane for that team. I do PF for sure. E ja told ma ho nyina hye no Kevin Taylor. Enya hwea ma wo mat osabe di wo matem.
Tantifo ni bi ye moa. Bogina PZ boton ade na mo de mfa so akodi twe. Mo de akodi ejantrafo gonofo. Kwasiafo ejatoma aban na enkotam sika every Bank of Ghana fambrɛ. Wo nana na otam asase ne ma wo no. Wo nana na obutu oba so kɔ no ho kɔgi sika. Kwasiafo abuofunu. Kwasiafo munye sika o PZ na na kɔtɔ red. Moya mo dross mu kan mu nko school. De muni ma ne sɛ ye de ya ton chains akɔtɔ red anom. Kwasia oje sɛ Ghana nyina ni Kumasi PZ. Mu hu nyina John so mu hu bon John so. Mo asanteform brantie ni bi. Eni ti na MPP use mo. Mo jimi. Mo ya lucky say jane to ho na mo nda ya kebe hye mo sem emmoa. Mo jijejejia PZ na mo ton fake belt, fake jeans. Mo wiawia nkofo tutu nkofo bag mu. Mo wia na mo akɔtɔ red ni jantrafo. O pa abansi case store. Na wo store. Mo bi mo jimi. PZ abandia. Na ba omi akwasi akɔtɔ cement abrewa. Ko na ho kɔji cement ni bi so so e. Ade na mo nkom na ho kɔji cement. Emmoa saa santini a wejimi no. Ode se cobra nko 50. Wejimi up.
Ana kemtira so kra say obedi port London ene Trini Jonas abefi before 2020 say FIFA World Cup in USA. Emu ana yonda sabete se Mahama ni kemtira say Mahama ade ntina se be wabo akrama oda so na mo kasa edidi amanfo atom enti no at least shut him down.
Mahama Jimmy wo me feel wo ba akora na o America na mani Jimmy no ona oye MDC for problem akora no kwa na MDC for problem so much I say apart from akora no NDC you are good to go. Apart from akora no NDC you are good to go. Apart from akora no NDC you are good to go. I mean no you know. Apart from akora no NDC you are good to go. I didn't Jimmy Sanwa. Yo, may drive you on a TikTok for a block my life because I'm gonna say me to drive it. Now me so life to see you minim se mu ya. Almost me to drive Abraham say video. So my life. I don't think that me catch you mama say oh boy carry into Kasian. It can't win to drive Abraham. Me ya dey. Me say video TikTok for mu hu sam aka just so me block life. Enti some ya dey me cause say scanner of course. I say and no me kaka. Maka just say TikTok for no. Omusa no me block life. Timu anu ma jimina o. Na obo aka ni ntumu nya jimi no wure mo. Why? And of course, my baby are packing of course it is what it is. To join Mahama, yes why I dear pa because you can't say why are you what else? What about to E-levy? But E-levy now what chamuno Mahama. E-levy na watwam no enkyere se waye hwe maka za asem na kyerɛw so utwa E-levy ma akufu ado aboa na de ha beto ya so sasa bronzam no enti bi adwuma ma boy sininya bi nyo ene hia ene hia E-levy some dey joke of course me chile me Oreo fresh you got to that chile out to do mama Tinans na make a chron so what to make nkwasi niyama we mu a make sure say obey dey make sure say ube be adwuma my boys no because why idea make us on your idea ja Jimmy no car no a BMW stop making noise why Jimmy ana make us on your idea na me boa because what you have done better so at my say because kufu ado adwe no on the how ante say abetu nipa so I just say nya kufu ado adwe na ka Ghana for ke ye ho ye to waba no atima E-levy a afiri so a what next make sure say boys no bia benya adwuma ye na kro no so nte na make sure so say oh my good hospitals, good roads, good health care. Make sure that Ghana the system is in places. My system ninya adwuma. My system ninya adwuma. Of course, we need a real quick video, we need your life. In good and perfect time could do everything. My machine had this one abram. My system ninya adwuma. Mpen kwasi asem because you're to Obama as a president. As a president, you know, you have to do what you gotta do. You understand me? You gotta do what you gotta do. You're Mahama, eh? Yeah, dear. Make sure, say, oh, yeah, dear. Who be a mama boys? We levy free. Now you better 10 times free. Oh, boy, mama, chacha, na kosumo, bet, na kosumo. And on the boys, and you'll be Irish, you'll be a chabet. But E-levy now, you have free mobile money, very good. But make sure, say, oh, yeah, dear. Wono Mahama no. Who my boy to nanya adwuma. Wa kura aka na man die ntie no. Kevin answer one. Ono na man dis for mo bele no. Ono na man bedi di wo Mahama atem. So I just say nkyere so ya de papa nso ama mbo abaso. Mebo abaso. Because papa ba yeje. Bone ba nso ayeje. Sante hene nkwa na kuma se ne bibi koye ho ne yeba ye obi abona abaso ho ye ba sante hene abaso. Ba ne ma sa ne yakoba we could yash and something and I'm saying, I could do bomusu as yakwa. You see, a kufa to see Kumasi Airport, Obio Kumasi Airport, near as Antini near the man. I then as Antini at Tanasama Kumasi, I say, and so you have one of Sobo, I'm going to say this one, my bonnet to so more. With your any roco, quite good and perfect time could do having my machine and this one of them. Why? That's it straight up. I haven't go beyond so much of it. Mitchell, BMW, people. I mean, Sabrin. The Ghana do Americans were dead. America be a dead. I mean, so be other about that. To good and perfect time, I had a son of them. Why? I mean, sure we be me chilly, relax you on me. I can't relax you. Let me relax. Let me relax in my car. Let me relax in my car. Me relax it, me relax it, me relax it, me relax it, me relax it. Yeah. I mean, so we are 17 because it's straight up. Chat. My brain I'm the same time one my cherry no matter what chat no be any answer. Yo, Obian can't chat Mahama said news I'm woman no. Good and perfect time in number, good and perfect time. Had this one problem. Why? I mean, could be answered about something to the great. I say straight up. I mean, she'll be here. I say straight up. Bye. My brother, Mrs. Says continue. Make a kill. Good and perfect time. Could you have in my child? That's why. Why? Straight up and say bye bye.
It was some more young don Abaikan editor President John Mahama concern E-levy in the business as work of my prison and officer concern Kevin Taylor is what ordinary home. About hons for him as oh okay can I through Pia will media as soon. But young don Abe marching for boot. Today, I doing F. Mame, comment section. I have Penyah Block Media.